Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our latest cricket updates. England cricket is facing an unexpected off-field issue just ahead of the second test against Pakistan at Lord's. England captain Joe Root has openly expressed his anger and frustration over the situation involving fast bowler Brydon Carse. Root said that after the team delivered a brilliant performance. Last week, it was frustrating to see the discussion shift away from cricket and towards an issue unrelated to what happens on the field. Carse is reportedly facing an investigation following an incident at a nightclub in Derby, where police arrested him. At this stage, the matter is under investigation, so it is important not to jump to conclusions until the facts are fully established. Joe Root also made it clear that introducing a team-wide curfew is not necessarily the solution. His comments suggest that England want to remain focused and united as they prepare for an important test match. And now all eyes are turning towards Lord's. Pakistan and England are set to face each other in the second test, starting on August 27. With the series already attracting plenty of attention, this off-field controversy adds another layer of pressure ahead of the match. Will England be able to put the issue behind them and concentrate fully on cricket? And how will Pakistan perform at the historic Lord's Cricket Ground? We'll bring you all the latest updates as the story develops. So if you enjoyed this update, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your cricket-loving friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more cricket news and updates.